In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sheets in dark mode on your desktop or PC web browser. If you're like many people, you probably spend a lot of time staring at screens, and a bright white background can add a lot of strain to your eyes. It would be great if Google Sheets had a built-in dark mode feature, but unfortunately, it doesn't. Don't worry though, there's an easy workaround, and that's exactly what I'll be showing you today. We're going to utilize a third-party browser extension available from the Chrome Web Store. There are several dark mode extensions to choose from, and they all aim to provide a more comfortable visual experience. However, one of the most popular and user-friendly options is the Dark Reader extension. It's known for its effectiveness and ease of use. So I'll focus on that one today. First things first, you'll need to open your Chrome browser and head straight to the Chrome Web Store. Once you're there, go ahead and use the search bar to type in Dark Reader. This extension should pop up almost immediately. Once you see it, click on it, and you'll be directed to the extension's main page. At this point, you'll want to look for a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Give it a click, and the installation process should begin right away. Within a few seconds, you should see a small pop-up asking for confirmation to add the extension to your browser. Simply confirm, and voila! The Dark Reader extension is now installed. With the Dark Reader extension successfully added, you can navigate back to your Google Sheets. You'll notice a new icon on your browser's toolbar. That's the Dark Reader extension. Click on this icon, and you'll be greeted by a dialog box that allows you to customize the appearance of your sheets. Here's where you can make some tweaks to suit your personal preferences. You have options to adjust the brightness and contrast, which can help you find that perfect balance between too dark and too light. For a bit more personality, or to ease different types of eye strain, you even have the option to add sepia or grayscale effects. It's all about making your screen a more pleasant place to work. And there you have it. Your Google Sheets are now draped in dark mode, making your screen time a bit easier on the eyes. This extension not only benefits you while using Google Sheets, but also other websites you might visit regularly. Keep in mind you can always revisit the settings for Dark Reader if you need to make adjustments or disable it temporarily. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you create a more comfortable viewing experience for your daily tasks. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips like this one.